Like many ancient documents, the papyrus contains errors and inconsistencies. Preserved in the Egyptian Museum in Turin, Italy, where it has been since the 19th century. Egyptologists have used it to refine the chronology of ancient Egypt and identify key historical events. In addition to the king list, the Turin Papyrus map contains sections related to religious festivals, temple construction, and offerings made by various pharaohs. Scholars continue to study the Turin Papyrus map, using modern technologies and research methods to extract additional information and refine our understanding of ancient Egyptian history.